Welcome to MVP Auto Update Hub, your go-to channel for the latest automotive news and updates. Today, we are diving into an exciting and practical addition to the commercial vehicle sector, the 2025 Mini Water Tanker Truck. Whether you're in construction, agriculture, or municipal services, this compact yet powerful truck is designed to make water transportation more efficient and cost-effective. Stay tuned as we explore its specifications, features, performance, and why it might be the ideal solution for your business. The 2025 Mini Water Tanker Truck is built for versatility and maneuverability. Unlike traditional full-sized tanker trucks, this mini version is compact, allowing it to navigate narrow roads and tight urban areas with ease. Its small footprint makes it ideal for areas where larger trucks struggle to operate, such as congested cities, remote villages, and industrial sites with limited space. Under the hood, this truck is powered by an advanced fuel-efficient engine. Depending on the model, it comes with either a 1.5L turbo diesel or a 2.0L fuel-injected gasoline engine, delivering an optimal balance between power and fuel economy. The engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission or an optional automatic transmission for effortless driving. With a maximum payload capacity of 2,500 liters, this truck can transport a significant amount of water while maintaining stability on various terrains. Durability is a key highlight of the 2025 Mini Water Tanker Truck. The chassis is reinforced with high-strength steel, ensuring longevity and resilience even under heavy loads. The water tank itself is made of corrosion-resistant stainless steel or high-grade polyethylene, preventing contamination and ensuring safe water storage. To further enhance reliability, the truck is equipped with a heavy-duty suspension system that absorbs shocks and vibrations, providing a smooth ride even on rough roads. One of the standout features of this mini tanker truck is its efficient water distribution system. It comes with an easy-to-operate pump system, enabling quick loading and unloading of water. The high-powered pump can discharge water at varying pressures, making it suitable for multiple applications, from irrigation and dust suppression to firefighting and road cleaning. Some models also come with an optional hose reel for increased convenience in operations. In terms of technology and comfort, the 2025 Mini Water Tanker Truck does not disappoint. The cabin is designed with a modern ergonomic layout, featuring a digital instrument cluster, air conditioning, and an infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity. The driver's seat is fully adjustable, ensuring comfort during long hours of operation. Safety features such as ABS, electronic stability control, and rear-view cameras enhance the overall driving experience, reducing risks in challenging environments. Another major advantage of this mini tanker truck is its affordability. Compared to larger tanker trucks, it has a lower initial purchase price and reduced maintenance costs. Its fuel-efficient engine further lowers operational expenses, making it a cost-effective choice for small businesses, municipalities, and contractors. Plus, with its eco-friendly design, including low-emission engines and optional hybrid variants, it aligns with global environmental standards, making it a responsible choice for sustainable water transportation. Many industries can benefit from the 2025 Mini Water Tanker Truck. In agriculture, it is perfect for watering crops and livestock. In urban areas, it helps in street cleaning and dust control. Construction companies can use it for concrete mixing and site maintenance, while municipalities can deploy it for emergency water supply and firefighting support. Its versatility ensures that it meets the demands of various sectors with efficiency and reliability. With increasing demand for efficient and sustainable water transportation solutions, the 2025 Mini Water Tanker Truck is expected to be a game-changer. Its combination of compact design, powerful performance, and cost-effectiveness makes it an attractive option for businesses and local governments alike. As more companies look for practical, fuel-efficient, and easy-to-maintain vehicles, this mini tanker is set to become a preferred choice in the market. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Mini Water Tanker Truck. What do you think about this innovative commercial vehicle? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto Update Hub for more exciting automotive updates. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, drive safe and stay informed.